أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the lesson number 6 of Madani qaida. The lesson number 6 of Madani qaida read in both ways, rawan as well as hijj. Rawan mean without spelling and hijj mean with spelling. The first one word is this. Now the first letter of this word is noon. As you see, the first letter of this word is noon. Noon has a fatha sign, so it sounds like na. Noon fatha na. The next letter of this word is za. Za pronounced hardly. Za also have fatha sign, so it is za. Za. The first one letter is na. The next letter is za. Naza. The third letter of this word is lam. Lam has a fatha sign, so it sounds la. When we join the letters of this word, it sounds nazala, 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 nazala. The next word is khalaqa. The first letter of this word is kha. Kha has a fatha sign, kha. The lam has also fatha sign, la. Khala, khala. The qaf also has a fatha sign, so it sounds qa. Khalaqa, khalaqa. The third word also has three letters. The first letter of the third word is sad. The pronunciation of sad is from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two and bottom two front teeth. Sad. Sad has a fatha sign. The next dal also have a fatha sign and qaf also have a fatha sign. Qaf pronounced boldly. Sadaqa. So when we join these three letters, it sounds sadaqa, sadaqa. In this lesson of Madani qaida, we use sounds, not pronunciation. We use sound in the whole Quran, not pronunciation. So in this lesson, we also use the sound, not pronunciation. We use sound in the whole Quran, so I am telling you the sound of each word. Letter number 1 of the fourth word is ja. The pronunciation of ja is from the empty space of the mouth. Ya. The sound of ja is ya, ya. Now the ya has a fatha sign, so the sound of ya is ya. The you also use sound of dal, which is da, da. Now dal has a fatha sign, it sounds da, jada. Now this one kaf will not be bold, so we use sound of this kaf, which is ka, ka. The whole word is jadaka. Now this lesson is enough for today. In the next lesson, we will learn the next line of this lesson. Allah Hafiz.